Bukyanga Dr. Kizza Besigye akwatibwa n'akomezebwawo kuno okusibira mu kkooti y'amagye yamusindika e Luzira gy'abadde n'okutuusa kati abaka ab'oludda oluvuganya gavumenti bazze babanja gavumenti okufulumya alipoota ku by'okukwatibwa kwa Besigye naye nga gavumenti ezze bazannya teppo era alipoota eno yabadde irina okuleetebwa olunaku olwajjo ekyafuuseganyana.
The Deputy Attorney General was here yesterday. He told us he had written to Parliament to get information of the concerns we raised about Dr. Kizza Besigye. And he was meant to give us feedback. Now they are all absent.
Omubaka wa Buhweji Francis Mwejije ategeeza Palamenti nti abakasembayo okulambula ku Dr. Kizza Besigye Luzira embeera gye bamusanzeemu yennyamiza ekyoleka kati nti wandibanga waliwo ebikolwa eby'okutyobola eddembe lye nk'omusibe.
The of Dr. Besigye has come here many times. Pictures of Besigye looking frail, sickly, are awash in the media and out there.
Amyuka Speaker wa Parliament Thomas Tayebwa asoose kutegeeza ababaka nga ssaabawolereza wa gavumenti bw'agenda okwanukula ku nsonga za Besigye ssabbiiti ejja n'asaba ababaka okugumiikiriza.
And I talked to him and he confirmed that on Tuesday he would be ready to come and respond to the issues as they were raised.
Kino ababaka bakiwakanyizza era ne bateeka Tayebwa ku kisenge alagira akakiiko ka Paalamenti ak'eddembe ly'obuntu kwolekera ekkomera ly'e Luzira okuzuula ekituufu ku bya Besigye n'eddembe ly'abasibe engeri gye likwatiddwamu.
We've been there as prisoners and we've been interacting with the people who come to visit us, not in a caged form. If Dr. Besigye dies in prison, God forbid, it will send a very bad signal on this institution. If you authorize the necessary committee of Parliament to visit Luzira and undertake an investigation on this matter and come and report, Parliament would have discharged this obligation.
We are here paying tribute to Honorable Segirinya, and we raised concerns about how this House let down Honorable Segirinya. He was denied bail. We raised those concerns. The presiding officers, he told us, those are matters of court. He said, but the man is sick.
You need to understand how President Museveni works. Many of you, one by one, you will find yourself in prison. That Besigye we are talking about was the one treating Museveni. Nearly Museveni died in Ruwera, but Besigye treated him.
Their submissions were hitting on a matter that supposing Dr. Kizza Besigye dies. I just want to stand here and declare that we are going to pray.
Dr. Besigye has survived the road. I don't think he will just die tonight, okay? Let's pray for him.
Kibiggweredde amyuka Speaker Thomas Tayebwa alagidde akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu aka Parliament okubiteekamu engatto okwolekera Luzira.
The best we can do is to ensure that indeed our committee goes there tomorrow. And whatever they find, we shall be in touch with the committee and the leadership of government. If there is anything urgent which the committee finds, they will link up with me immediately and we shall interlink with the executive.
Yadde akakiiko ka Parliament kasindikiddwa okugenda e Luzira kisana kijjukire nti obukiiko bwa Parliament buzze bukola alipoota nnyingi ezesimba naye siga erikulembirwa President kono olukiiko lwa Minisita ne bagaana okubiteekesa mu nkola. Joseph Seruwoza, BBS Terefayina, Parliament.